Has your business been in operation for several years and you want a new avenue to research your closest competitors? Or are you a budding entrepreneur seeking the ideal location to set up a storefront to avail yourself of a particular demographic? DataAxle can provide you a bevy of curated categories that offer targeted search parameters to connect your business with data it can use to thrive. In our video, we will discuss the basics of DataAxle, covering the main search categories and the term dictionary. Answer the question of how DataAxle can assist your business by giving insights into competitors, consumer markets, and how to cultivate search results for your business's needs.
DataAxle Basics. On the landing page of DataAxle, you will be presented with 6 main categories: U.S. businesses, U.S. jobs/internships, Canadian businesses, U.S. healthcare, U.S. consumer/lifestyles, and U.S. new movers/homeowners. For the main objective of this video, 4 categories relevant to businesses will be expounded upon. U.S. businesses. This database category, updated weekly, consists of 64 million businesses, including 16 million verified and 48 million unverified. Among search criteria is company name, executive title, business type, sales volume, year established, employee size, and more. U.S. jobs and internships. This category becomes a job search engine combining DataAxle's Reference Solutions research tool with job site Indeed.com. Some job criteria include job title, company name, business type, multiple geography options, and more. U.S. new businesses. Updated with more than 50,000 new businesses added each week. Great for becoming abreast of new companies and potential competitors. Selection criteria include company name, contact information, business location type, and business filing. U.S. consumers/lifestyles. This database is useful for market research, and the records are constantly updated and processed against the USPS National Change of Address (NCOA) and the Delivery Sequence File (DSF). Selection criteria include name, address, median home value, median home income, and more. The term dictionary breaks down the meaning of a few common search terms and abbreviations. One example is SIG code, business code for an industry. 4812-07 equals wireless services. Another example is NAICS code, which is a business code that government uses as a classification. How can your business use DataAxle? What's your business? First, what business are you in? Textiles, programming, engineering? Naturally, answering this question will help to ascertain the market or markets your business will provide goods or services to. Next, determine your business's specializations and core competencies. Specializations are the tasks you perform that are central to your business. Core competencies are the defining products, services, skills, and capabilities that give a business advantages over its competitors. Put another way, business core competencies are competitive advantages that no competitor can reasonably offer or replicate. The competition. DataAxle can be utilized to scope out competitors using the following search parameters: sales volume, location, business size, hours of operation, and closest competitors. Typically, though, the competitor name is a sufficient search option. Once you have entered a company's profile, you will see a tableau of information divided into the following entries: location information, job listings, industry profile, business profile, photo maps, directions, business demographics, management directory, company news, stock data, business expenditures, business size history, UCC filings, nearby businesses, and competitor reports. There is a quick link on the left margin of the business profile so you can navigate more quickly. Determine which of these factors is relevant to your research. Here's a quick breakdown of noteworthy sections. Industry profile includes SIC, Standard Industrial Classification, and NAICS, North American Industry Classification System, codes which describe what business sector or industry a company falls within. Note that these two types of codes are specifically for the United States. Business expenditures, expenses for the business. Business size history shows the sales volume by year and the employee size, number of employees working for the company from year to year, with two separate line graphs. Business history shows general information about the business, such as the company name, executive name, address, and more. To view this information, a subscription by your business or organization to DataAxle is required. UCC filing, or Uniform Commercial Code. Uniform Commercial Code allows a creditor, typically a financial institution or lender, to notify other creditors about a debtor's assets used as collateral for a secure transaction by filing a public notice or financing statement with a particular filing office. This can be found at the website https://www.sos.state.tx.us/UCC/. Nearby competitors, a general list of businesses that are in the proximity of the company being researched. Competitor reports, links to direct competitors in the same industry. Finally, DataAxle gives the user the ability to download a copy of reports for the given business. There are three types of downloadable reports: summary, detailed, and custom. Summary reports offer a succinct look at the overall state of a business. A detailed report offers an in-depth look at all the data of a business. And a custom report allows selection of specific data fields. A data reference dictionary is also available in this section.
By familiarizing yourself and employees with its search mechanics and taking advantage of the various search categories, DataAxle can be an invaluable asset in market research, enabling your firm to receive refined data from competitors, allies, and consumers alike. That concludes our discussion on the business's use of DataAxle. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in other database discussions, look for our database playlist on our Fort Bend County Library's Adult Programs YouTube page. Additionally, if you want to try DataAxle for yourself or peruse any more databases, be sure to check our databases page on the Fort Bend County Library's website. On the home page, select Research, then click Digital Resources and Databases. Here you can select databases on a variety of subjects including business, books and literature, legal, home health, and many more. Thanks for watching. Until next time.